Now, if I'm not mistaken, I'm pretty much taking the Henry to where it needs to be. I've never taken a Henry out this way yet.
Is that white or is that
That's whites, yeah. Well, it was white speaking. I'm not talking about the camo.
Okay, I hit radar. I got nothing. I'm gonna go in.
Okay.
Oh, there's a Yu Yang. Shoot him.
Okay.
He's
See
gonna
him.
radar me back. I mean, Henry Torps.
my RPF is right here.
Okay.
He didn't radar me, so I'm gonna get in without taking any damage.
Nice. Well, so far we can start to turtle up. Kiffy, you probably don't want to push up too much more than that.
Okay,
Yeah.
I'm hard detected, so there's something pushing along this outside edge. No surprise there.
Got something right there.
Is that in your radar range?
Why aren't you like out there?
It's my RPF. Oh, I can fix that right now.
Who did you want out there? What?
Me.
Well, I want him to be spotting out there and up against the island. He's really not spotting.
Well, I'm spotting. So, I mean, that's something. Although I'm not really so much spotting as being spotted, but they're kind of similar.
Oh, I got a plane spotting me.
That's his
Okay, hydro's up. And I'm going to kite away shortly because I'm sure there's torps on the way, and I don't really want to eat them.
My hydra's up, by the way, Troy.
There he is.
Yeah, he's wanting me to just stay here and eat his torps. That's why he's firing at me, but I'm not falling for it. Let's get the hell out of here.
Des Moines over here as well by A because I've been radared for a long time.
I can radar him to see.
It's got to be because Moss was our side.
They have two, but no, I've been radared.
Yeah, but the second Moss was already spotted over there.
You can't start a fire on me if I have damage control party up.
Okay, Yu Yang is right here. He's moving up to keep us spotted.
I got torps on Moskva.
Not radar. There he is.
Everything but the Yamato is spotted now.
Now the Yamato is spotted. He's in the usual position. But they could make a hard B push anytime. Like the Yamato's in a decent position for it. You want to take my spot out there wide, Kefi, for the spotting? Because
Hell yeah.
Blackhawk,
right.
watch out that Yu Yang is in front of you by maybe about 8 or 10 kilometers.
Black Hawk down.
We're about 50,000 HP below them now.
Oh, good hit.
That's not good.
Okay, I'm gonna try to get back out the west to counter that DD.
Keep your guns pointed where Kefi's going, because if we're going to have anything spotted, it'll be over there.
Zhao's in this quadrant.
Yeah.
I think he's sailing around the island.
Mm-hmm. Makes sense.
Okay, guys, it's to that point where they have to make a move, so get ready for it.
If they're going to make a move, it almost has to be at B. I mean, almost.
Yu Yang's over there, just got spotted.
I can't exit west now. That Moss was way too close.
Engine boost deactivated. in sight.
Okay, Masa's moving up. He's actually giving me a pretty good broadside.
Des Moines pushing into A.
Oh,
I see
I
that.
just shot when he got spotted.
Torps coming in, wrecked.
Problem solved, sir.
Can't hit him, Saints.
Okay.
Unless he turns that way.
Oh, maybe. Let me see if I can get him.
Should I have a plane right now?
If you can keep that Masa spotted, I'm just invisible pump.
I did hit him.
Oh, there's a Yu.
Yu Yang.
They're both in my hider for 40 seconds.
Alright, I'm gonna get around to this position so I can fire at
You're gonna
either
hit that Des
cap
Moines with those
because
Saints?
No.
Can we take out this Moscow then?
I'm gonna go down from this honorary. Just free farming me for free.
Hydra's up. Sorry, Saints, that was horrible timing. You guys should have thrown some radars up, because I would have
Yep.
smacked him if I had seen him.
I should have. I thought the Yu Yang was out here. Because that's where I was spotted.
Yeah, by the time I saw that Des Moines, he was already half in.
Get right. Is your radar up or almost up?
I'll put it up.
Almost got shots on this Yu Yang.
Get back. We need you to stay alive.
If this honorary can keep firing me, it will.
Can you back up around the island?
The enemy is about to win.
Trying to.
If we get a kill, we'll win with one.
To Moscow.
Let's get that guy down. Yep.
Concentrate fire on the enemy warship.
Montana, can you put up a plane?
He's trying to go dark. Just started him on fire.
I take it you don't have your plane. Oh, there.
Got him.
Survive, survive, survive.
Concentrate fire on the enemy warship.
Everybody just go dark, survive.
Okay. All right.
back to
Good
B.
job.
Keep backing up, Rick. But not too far. Whites, can you watch the middle from the Yu Yang?
Yeah, I'm gonna turn left here. Yeah.
Shit, Rack, I'm going to go right in front of you and be a meat shield. You got
Well,
such low health.
yeah, that's a pretty good idea. I don't see what could go wrong.
Just worried about the Yu
I'll try
Yang
not to
going
bump
from
into you.
Grab
behind.
him and do damage to him.
Just
That would be
going to the beach.
embarrassing.
Yep.
A minute,
Come on.
12 seconds.
Okay, the Yu Yang is hard detecting me in mid. Not that it matters.
Black Hawk
Should-
killed
it
the
should
boy
be
with his
okay.
neck salvo.
It'll only matter if he comes
Nice
slow.
shot. Nice shot, Trihalo.
Oh, good shot. Yeah.
Good job, guys. Good job.
Nice.
It's a good
Someone
way for me to
shows me
finish
their
off
ass,
the
I'm
clan
gonna
battle
tab it.
season. Alright guys, so I'm off. Good luck tonight.